Hi there. Do you have a problem with your Tecumseh 8 horsepower engine surging, not maintaining RPM? These engines are commonly found on snowblowers and wood chippers. For my particular case, this came off of a snowblower that was sitting for quite a while. The carburetor I cleaned, but was not responding well to adjustments to the idle jet. So I replaced the carburetor and I noticed that the engine was surging. The fix may be as easy as this little spring. First and foremost, I'm going to have you check the idle jet. Most common reason why these engines surge, it needs to be removed and cleaned. Your engine is still surging. The next place to check is the throttle spring. This throttle spring assembly will be bouncing back and forth while the engine is surging. So a new spring cost me about $6 on Amazon. It's difficult to see any difference in the old spring versus the new spring, but the old spring was worn out. This throttle assembly has to be removed from the side of the engine to access the spring, and getting the old spring out and the new spring on can be a little tricky at first. Here's the part numbers in case it comes in handy for anybody. If you have any tips, tricks, or pointers, feel free to leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching.